Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make a welcome channel Discord. So basically, you just have to open your Discord and create a new channel for your friends or for your fans. So let's just say welcome channel. And then after that, you have to click this create channel right here. And then this is what it looks like. This is your new channel. Now go to your channel settings by tapping this gear icon and then go to permissions. Click advanced permissions. You have to make sure that this one is set to everyone. Now go to general channel permissions and you have to turn on the following here. You just have to follow me, okay? So send messages. You have to tap this as no, and then you have to scroll down again, and then this time read message history, toggle this one on. Okay, and then after that, you just have to simply go to any web browser and then look for mee6.xyz. Click this one, and probably it will take you directly to their homepage, and then you have to tap this, add this to your Discord. Now, you should log in your Discord to the same website and then add your server here. Okay, and then you just have to wait. Okay, select a server because I have lots of servers on my Discord. So this one here, I'm going to add this to my F1 or fans server. This is what it looks like. And then click continue. After that, click authorize. And then tap this to make sure that you're 100% human, and then wait as it is processing. And now this is already added to your Discord. So this time you have to look for welcome and goodbye. So you need to enable this. So probably this is MEE6AI. So you see this welcome and goodbye, you just have to toggle on the send a message, whoever or someone who wants to join your server, and then you have to enter or type the welcome message here. Now, because of, or I don't know, due to some reasons, I think you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to get this. Okay, but if you have your, or if you have upgraded your plan already, then there's no problem. You just have to turn this one on, and then you just have to add more things here if you want, like photos or other messages, if someone wants to leave or wants to join or anything. But of course, you need to upgrade your plan. However, if you don't want and you're looking for something, another bot that can help you create a welcome message to whoever wants to join your server, then I suggest you try this pro bot. It's the same thing. You just have to go to your server, click this app directory, search for pro bot. You can go to our channel and see another tutorial for this. Okay, so click this add app and then view site, add this to your server, authorize, go to welcome and goodbye, add a welcome message here. Okay, send this to your specific channel, general, save changes, and then go back to your Discord. Now, obviously, if someone wants to join your server or already joined your server, I'm going to use my other Discord and let's see if this one works. So let's just say I want to join to this fans 101. And when I tap join, I should see the welcome message here. Thank you so much for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.